Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahushai. All praise to Yahweh by Hashem Yahushai, by Hashem Kakadash. Honest Apostle, Great Millstone, salutation to the elect, expression is truth. So today I want to talk about the mark of the beast. Alright. So the mark of the beast, okay, is the Rfid microchip, okay. There's going to be a new world order that's been prophesied about, that's been talked about for years, okay. And that new world order is to be able to control everybody, alright. It's to be able to have everybody under subjection and be controlled by a microchip, okay, the size of a rice grain, okay. This microchip is what Esau, the Edomites, are going to use to try to track down everybody and to try to be like the Most High, okay? Because China is approximating that China in 5 years is going to be able to pass America in all of aspects and stats. So it's going to pass it economically. It's going to pass it in all types of ways, okay? China's technology is much more superior to America's, and their military is also growing in numbers and getting more high-tech and better. So China's rate, it says that if you do some studying and research, China is ready to pass America and be the new world power in 5 years. So you know America is not going to just give up its power seat that easily. Okay, America is very prideful. The way it was found was on pure pride and entitlement and feeling like the Edomites felt like they're superior. So do you think these people would give up their power seat to Moab or give the power seat to Asia? They're not going to do that. Okay, so they're going to be in desperation, okay, to try and pass China and to keep their power seat. And what they're going to do is they're going to implement the microchip and try and force a cashless society, okay? It's America, because China, the way that China is, it's there's no it's basically cashless, okay? You need your phone for everything, okay? You need your phone literally to be able to buy everything, okay? You scan everywhere. China is on a whole different level, and it's ready to pass America. So America is going to implement that microchip, okay, to try and be better, to try and pass America, okay? I mean, try to pass China, and I mean to stay on top, okay? That's what America's going to try and do. So let's get some scriptures on the mark of the beast, all right? Alright, so this is Revelations chapter 13. Verse 15. And he had power to give life unto the image of the beast, that the image of the beast shall both speak and cause that as many as will not worship the image of the beast should be killed. Yeah, because if you don't submit under America's power soon, okay, if you don't submit under the rhetoric, okay, when they implement the chip, you're gonna be killed, okay? You could be sent off to a FEMA camp, alright, be tortured, this could be madness, okay? Verse 16, and he causeth all, both small and great, okay, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark on their right hand or in their forehead. 17, and that no man might buy or sell, save he that had the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name, Alright? It says, verse 18, here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beasts, for it is the number of a man. His number is 600, threescore and 6. Alright, that's 666. Alright. So that mark, okay, is the Rfid microchip. If you take that, you will be destroyed, okay? That's going to be an ultimate test, okay, to see who is really of the Most High and who really isn't, okay? If you take that chip, it's over for you, all right? And it says that you take both small and great. So anyone that's popular in society, anyone that's not popular, rich and poor. So anyone that's broke, anyone that's rich, free and bond, anyone that's so-called free, not in jail, and everybody in jail. Okay, so everybody in society is going to have to take this chip to be able to buy and to sell. Okay, and those are everyday things you need to do. So lots of people are going to take that chip because they're going to feel like there's nothing else they can do. But you're not supposed to take that chip. You're supposed to believe that the Most High is going to protect you in that crazy day, and He's going to make sure that He seals you. You have to believe that, okay? So you can't take the chip. Right? If you take that chip, which is the ultimate temptation, then you're bound to be destroyed, and that's a fact. All right. Yeah, so this is this is 2 Corinthians chapter 2 verse 11. Lest Satan should get an advantage of us, for we are not ignorant of his devices. Alright? So we're not ignorant of what he's gonna do. We know exactly what this devil wants to do. Okay? You're not supposed to be in the dark in terms of you don't understand what he's doing. You're not supposed to not know what's going on in the world. You're supposed to know. Okay? It's idiotic not to know what's going on around you, okay? Because the world doesn't revolve around you, alright? You need to know what's going on, okay? You need to know. I mean, it's as simple as that. The Most High said that we're like a watchtower, okay? So we're watching everything, okay? So we know of this devil's devices, alright? We're not ignorant of it. We know what he wants to do. We know he wants to continue to be number one. We know that he doesn't want to give up his power seat. Okay, so he's going to do something dramatic, okay, so he can stay in power, all right? He's going to do something dramatic because America is not close to being able to keep up with China's technological advancements, because mainly China puts a lot of money into the research and into the technology, all right? America doesn't do that. Okay, America is focused on their military. They put at least half of the American money goes to their military. Okay, it doesn't go to just pure research and then understanding and trying to grow in technology. That's why they lack in it. So that's why they're gonna get what they're gonna get. Okay, it was a pure destruction because it's the devil, but yeah, all right. So we know what he wants to do. We know we know about the New World Order, alright? They're trying to be like the Most High. Alright, so let's get that scripture. Because this microchip is supposed to be be able to track you, alright? Okay. So right here, it's Isaiah 14:13. For thou hast said in thy heart, I will ascend into heaven. I will exalt my throne above the stars of Yahweh. I will sit I will sit also upon the mount of the congregation in the sides of the mountain. Verse 14. I will ascend above the heights of the clouds. I will be like the Most High. That's what the Edomites say in their heart. They believe that they're the Almighty. Okay, they said that they're going to be like the Most High. Okay, they're going to exalt their throne above the stars. Okay, and that goes into the NASA space programs. All right, that goes into him trying to be him trying to be the number one. Okay, all right. So those NASA space programs, that's what it goes into when it says, I will ascend into heaven, alright? That's what they're doing, alright? That's why NASA is a branch of the military now. Now, if you think about it, why the hell does NASA need to be part of the military? Is there some space wars going on? There's going to be. They know that. We're not ignorant of its devices. They know that the Most High, okay, sent out his son, alright, with the angels, alright, are coming in UFOs, alright? So-called UFOs, okay, which is actually iPhones, okay, identified flying objects. We know what they are, okay, those are the chairs of the Most High. So he knows that there's going to be a space war coming soon, okay? So-called UFOs versus the military. Alright. So, with that, I say shalom and a Bible ball.